Hello again, my students, and welcome to your grammar lesson for today. This one's kind of an easy one because it's review. We have done this before. I'm hoping that we can zip right through it. This lesson is commas in a series, and we've talked about when we have a list of items, 3 or more items. In a series, we need to use commas to separate them. Let's start with today's date. Today is April 9th, 2020. And our first jot dot says, use commas to separate 3 or more words in a series. Use and or before the last word in a series. And here we see an example. We studied magnets, gravity, and the wind today. So there are 3 things in a series are magnets, gravity, wind. And it's 3 or more words in a series, right? There might have been 4 or 5. But if we have 3 or more things in a series, we want to separate those items with commas. So the directions say rewrite each sentence, inserting commas where they are needed. Let's look at number 1. The girls looked at the moon, stars, and planets. And you can see they gave us 1 comma, but we want to make sure we have everything we need. Is there more than 3, or is there 3 or more? Are there 3 or more items in a series? Well, we have moon, that's 1, stars, that's 2, and planets, that's 3. So yes, we do have 3 or more items in a series, which means that we need a comma after the first 2. They already gave us a comma after moon, but look here, we need a comma after stars as well. So we're going to put that comma in there. The girls looked at the moon, comma, and I'm going to make that a little darker so I don't forget it when I'm rewriting. Stars, comma, and planets. That's step 1. Step 2 is simply to copy the sentence correctly. Now, no spelling mistakes here, right? Because we are copying. No punctuation or capitalization mistakes because we are copying. So let's copy it exactly as it is written. The girls looked at. Now I'm going kind of quickly because I realize it's not super fun just watching me write and copy. So I want you to take your time. I want you to do your best handwriting. 3rd grade teachers are going to be looking forward to that. Very great handwriting. The girls looked at the moon. This is where I need to remember my first comma, stars, and planets. Now I'm going to run out of room. I don't have enough room here, but I can finish that sentence and just use the extra space that's here on the end. Don't forget your period. We will do one more together, and then I want you to do the rest on your own. Let's see. All of these use the word and, so I was going to pick a different one. I would like to try number 3. I like number 3. I want to do number 3 with you because I want to show you that commas can also, or items in a series can also be at the beginning of a sentence. Number 3 says, books, DVDs, and the internet have information about the sky. What are our 3 items? Well, we have books, we have DVDs, and we have the internet. So when I rewrite it, I want to make sure I have commas after each of the first items. Books, comma, DVDs, comma, and the internet have information about the sky. Now that I've marked my commas for my items in a series, I'm going to rewrite the sentence. Books, don't forget your comma, DVDs, those are all capital letters, comma, and I don't know why they have capitalized internet, but maybe it's a proper noun. I'll have to look that up. And the internet have information. Now guess what? This is a longer sentence. I'm going to run out of room. Here's what I can do if I run out of room. I don't want you to start writing up the side of the page, right? We have a little space right here, so we can just go right down there and continue. Books, DVDs, and the internet have information about the sky. You can finish right underneath. We know that sometimes they don't give us a long enough line to write on, okay? And I don't want to forget my punctuation. Your job is to complete numbers 2, 4, and 5 on your own. Take care, you guys. I miss you.